Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot CRM login with Google Authenticator, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot login page. Enter your HubSpot credentials and click on the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted for a verification code. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't set up Google Authenticator yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the plus sign to add a new account. Choose the option to scan a barcode for easy setup. On the HubSpot login page, look for the QR code that appears after entering your credentials. Use your phone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. Once scanned, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code for your HubSpot account. Return to the HubSpot login page and enter the 6-digit code in the specified field. Click the Verify button to complete the authentication process. If the code is entered correctly, you will be granted access to your HubSpot dashboard. From this point forward, you will use Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication each time you log in. Make sure to keep your mobile device secure, as it holds the key to your account security. If you ever lose access to your Google Authenticator app, follow HubSpot's recovery process to regain access to your account. Always ensure that your backup codes are stored safely for emergencies. That's how you authenticate your HubSpot CRM login using Google Authenticator. Now you are set for a more secure login experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.